How to contact Instagram customer service. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. In here, scroll down until you see the help option under the more info and support tab. Tap on the help option and further tap on the report a problem option you see there. You can then go ahead and tap on the go back and shake phone option to report a problem, or you can also simply tap on the report problem without shaking option and further continue with reporting your problem. I will tap on the report problem without shaking option. Further, tap on the include and continue button you see there, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to report your problem. So go ahead and briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you. You can also tap on the screenshot option or upload images for better responses from the support team. Make sure to report a problem in a way that is very informative and descriptive for better responses from the support team. Finally, tap on the send option on the top right of your screen, and with this, Instagram support team will connect to you after reviewing your issue. Make sure that there is no direct way to connect to Instagram support team. So, this is how you can contact Instagram customer service. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.